ClickSEO by Alexa Traffic boost your global ranking. ClickSEO is your go-to solution for boosting your Alexa traffic rank and improving your global website rankings. Alexa.com rank measures a website's global popularity based on traffic data, with a lower rank indicating higher popularity. The rank is calculated from a website's traffic and page views over the last 3 months, providing an updated measure of its visibility. Traffic data is sourced from millions of Alexa toolbar users and direct server logs, offering a comprehensive view of a site's traffic. Alexa ranking is pivotal for gauging a website's popularity, especially when comparing with competitors in the same niche. Boost your Alexa rank easily with ClickSEO services, tailored to enhance your website's global visibility. Alexa rank is computed using a proprietary algorithm, factoring in web traffic, site engagement, and toolbar user data. A better Alexa rank signifies a website's popularity and likelihood of receiving more web traffic. Improving your Alexa rank involves increasing site traffic and engagement, along with installing the Alexa toolbar. Alexa rank's benefits include improved site visibility, enhanced organic search results, and increased trust among visitors. However, Alexa rank improvements take time and could be affected by competitors' similar efforts. Leverage your Alexa rank in marketing to measure campaign success, benchmark against competitors, and attract advertisers. A significant improvement in Alexa rank after a marketing campaign signals its success in driving website traffic. Benchmarking against competitors' Alexa ranks can inform your marketing strategies to enhance your site's popularity. A high Alexa rank attracts advertisers seeking websites with substantial traffic, potentially increasing your advertising revenue. Consider buying Alexa traffic with traffic bots to artificially boost your website's traffic and improve its Alexa rank efficiently.